so let us begin. So, welcome to the San Diego Java Users Group. Our little timeline for tonight, basically, our work from Red Hat will be speaking about all kinds of stuff. And you may have seen John Klingham here. He's spoken before, but under a different hat. He is now a member of Red Hat.
Previously? Under?
A different hat.
Yeah, what hat?
Oh, the Oracle hat? Yes, and then the Sun hat. How far back do you want to go?
No.
Okay. All right. New people. We got a lot of people here. There's got to be somebody who's new. Don't be embarrassed. Is there? Thank you, gentlemen. Yes. So the reason I asked that is so that we can go over our mission statement, because all the old hats up here on the couches, they know this by heart. There'd be no reason to go over it. But why do we meet? It's kind of like to come together and share our experiences and the technology that we use in the Java world, and other ancillary technologies like Android, which is pretty cool too, meet and network. So, and of course, promote that use of Java in our workspaces. So that's why we do this. Besides, free pizza, drink, and camaraderie here and there. How you can help? Well, I'm Paul Weber. I run the Java Users Group, and I'm always looking for speakers. So, a time before, I would ask people to give me topics. What topics would you like to listen to? And everybody's got all kinds of great topics. And I found out the right question to ask is, give me a speaker for a topic that you want to hear about. So, if you have a topic and you would like to speak about it, that'd be great. If you got a pet project, that would be interesting too. Also, any sponsors, if your company wants to sponsor the users group, we do take in a little bit of cash each month for that time when we can't get a pizza sponsor, and then we can buy our own. So I think our accounting is up to, we have a little bit over 1 month of, one meeting of pizza that we can buy. We don't have a month of pizza, just one meeting. Become a member, very easy. You just sign up to the Java Users Group on Yahoo, and that's our mailing list. You show up and you're a member. There's no real big deal to it. We do have a jobs board, so that if you want to look at what jobs are being posted by recruiters or hiring managers around town, that's also on the Yahoo site. And then you just take a look at the website, sdjug.org, to find out what's going on. And as of earlier today, we have 1,288 registered members on Yahoo. So this is a good part. Announcement. So first off, a round for Albert, who sponsored us tonight. Thank you, sir. He paid the bill, and now he gets a chance to give us his advertisement. If you like.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Good.
So moving on, I'd like to open it up. Is there anybody looking for work? Looking to change a job? Yes. By the way, half the people here are from ResNet. So on the opposite side, we open it up to the hiring managers. And if Red Hat is hiring, since they're our sponsor, they get first go at it. Big jobs.
We're definitely hiring, but I think what's interesting is that the growth in the space. Obviously, we're not hiring for necessarily basic RHEL. Red Hat Linux has been around for 20-some years, but we are hiring heavily in emerging products. So that's OpenStack, OpenShift, our container product, along with a bunch of other products that Red Hat has, over 20-some plus from that standpoint. Feel free to talk to John or myself if you're interested.
Okay, and then ResNet is hiring too. We just happen to have the one person who could tell us about what we're hiring for.
Yeah, so ResNet, we're hiring all of the Java developers. We're hiring DBAs. I don't know who else are we hiring. We're hiring across the board, all kinds of consultants.
Testers.
Testers, absolutely. So
Is there any other hiring manager or company that's looking for Java developers? Please.
Hi, I'm from Thermo Fisher Scientific. My team's looking for 2 mid-level Java developers, and I have cards from my director if anyone's interested.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Anyone else? All right. So the upcoming activities, we actually have one of our local club members is going to give a presentation next month. So Eric Coleman is going to be doing that. And he's going to send me his abstract soon enough, but you might as well say a few words about what you think.
Yeah, so I mentioned to Paul that I'm thinking of giving a talk about concurrency in Java, starting with the very basics that has to be defined in Java, supported by the language, and going through Java 6 and the concurrency package, and then all the way up to Java 8 where there are streams and there's parallelization and support for those things. And it's just going to be a standard overview. I might talk a little bit, talk quite a lot about the different classes in the concurrency package. I don't know if I'm going to talk a little bit about how they're used in other frameworks like Play, but that's what I'm thinking of right now.
Okay, more to come. Thank you. All right. And then coming up in January, I've got Tyler Jewell of Code Envy to come out and give a talk, probably something, I'm not sure what it is yet. And far off, February, Jay Zimmerman of No Fluff Just Stuff has opted to give us another speaker. They're having their conference here in San Diego again, I think in the June or July time frame. So he usually, promotes it by giving us a couple of speakers going up to it. Let's see, Dev Nexus is in Atlanta. There you have a call for papers. So if you guys, anybody has an interesting topic, you can apply and see if they'll be able to present your paper there. I'm not sure how you get out there and back, but might as well try and see what happens. Are there any other announcements? Leave off anything that's coming up in the San Diego area that somebody has heard about, maybe. Besides Thanksgiving and Christmas. Matt?
Well, Red Hat announced today their call for papers for their upcoming summit and detonation. So, but the summit papers would be, having been done at the summit before, if you have experience with Red Hat solutions and products and things that you have a lot of interest in, the detonation is more down to the developer side. So, just thought that announcement.
Okay. Do you know what was the date?
They call for papers began today. I think it goes to early January is the cutoff, and the summit would be around June because San Francisco is here.
Yep.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right. Okay, thank you. Any other announcements? Moving on. Okay, a little speaker abstract bio here of Albert, the community powered development of OpenShift. So we've actually had Albert come to ResMed a couple of times and talk to us about it. And very good presentation and very interesting topics. So I'll leave it to him to give you all kinds of insights into the Docker world and beyond. And well, thank you. So ResMed is providing the facility and the kind of the cleanup afterwards. So at the end of the meeting, basically, it's please take all your trash and bottles and cans to the trash can. That helps out. Thank you very much, and I'll turn it over to Albert for the rest of the meeting.